Today, we will explore the world of civil engineering and discover why it is one of the most important engineering disciplines.
Responsible for designing, constructing, and maintaining the infrastructure we use every day. Civil engineering forms the backbone of every road, bridge, building, airport, tunnel, and dam. These structures are built to be safe, durable, and functional, serving communities for generations. By combining science, mathematics, creativity, and practical knowledge, civil engineering solves real-world problems. Without it, modern cities and transportation systems would simply not exist. As its work improves public safety, drives economic growth, and enhances our quality of life. Civil engineering consists of several specialized branches, each serving a unique purpose. Structural engineering focuses on designing buildings, bridges, towers, and industrial facilities. Structural engineers ensure that every system can safely resist gravity, wind, and earthquakes through rigorous analysis and load calculations. Geotechnical engineering examines soil, rock, and foundation behavior. Engineers study ground conditions to determine load-bearing capacity and design secure foundations, retaining walls, and ground improvement solutions. Transportation engineering is dedicated to moving people and goods efficiently. Professionals design highways, railways, and airports, while studying traffic flow and pavement performance to reduce congestion and connect communities. Water resources engineering manages vital water supplies by designing dams, reservoirs, irrigation networks, and flood protection systems. This branch ensures clean water access and environmental protection for future generations. Environmental engineering focuses on public health and sustainability. Through the design of wastewater treatment plants, drinking water facilities, and solid waste management systems. Construction engineering and management transforms designs into reality by planning activities, scheduling, estimating costs, and managing resources to ensure projects finish safely, on time, and within budget. The project lifecycle and materials. Civil engineers guide projects from conception to completion. They begin by analyzing client requirements, conducting site investigations, and performing geotechnical and structural evaluations. Detailed drawings and technical specifications follow, leading into active construction supervision and long-term maintenance. To execute these projects, engineers rely on versatile materials: concrete for strength, reinforced concrete for tensile resistance, structural steel for height and span, timber for sustainability, and asphalt for roadways. Modern tools. Today's civil engineering relies heavily on advanced software. Programs like AutoCAD and Revit facilitate modeling, while ETABS, SAP 2000, and STAAD.Pro handle structural analysis. Specialized tools like Civil 3D for transportation and PLAXIS for geotechnical analysis ensure greater accuracy and safety. Ultimately, civil engineering is much more than just building physical structures. It is about shaping a safer, stronger, and more sustainable future for everyone. Today, we explored the fundamentals of civil engineering, from its major branches to the tools and materials that build our world.